Hello everyone, this is the voice of Godwillebong, CEO Prime Forex Academy, and I want to quickly explain to us the concept of gold PIP calculation, how to measure the increase or decrease in price of gold. Alright, in this video we'll be using 2618.62 as gold's current market value. So let's get into it. Alright, there are two ways of calculating the increase or decrease in price movement of XAUUSD, also known as gold. The first way of calculating it is by adding to the first number after the decimal point. In this case, the first number after the decimal point is 6. So let's measure the change in market value of XAUUSD in 1 pip. So let's take for instance gold makes an increase in 1 pip. How do we get that? So what we do is we add 1 to the first number after the decimal point, and in this case gold is currently valued at 2618.62, so we add 1 to 6. So once we add 1 to our current market value to the first number after the decimal point, our new market value for gold is going to be 2618.72. How did we get that? We added 1 to the first number after the decimal point. So the first number after the decimal point is 6. So we added 1 to 6, which gives us the new market value of 2618.72. So it's safe to say gold has made an increase by 1 pip. Yes, so that's it for calculating increase in market value of XAUUSD. So if we have to calculate for the decrease in the market value of XAUUSD, let's use our current market value, which is 2618.62. So to measure the decrease in market value of XAUUSD, we simply subtract 1 from the first number after the decimal point. Subtracting 1 from the first number after the decimal point, we will have 6 minus 1, which would be 5. So for this example, our new market value for XAUUSD, if it makes a 1 pip decrease, is going to be 2618.52. How do we get that? We got that from deducting 1 from the first number after the decimal point. So I go over it again. When we are calculating for increase in price of XAUUSD, we simply add 1. That's if we are calculating for a 1 pip increase, we simply add 1 to the first number after the decimal point. Likewise, when we are calculating for the decrease, we simply subtract or minus 1 from the first number after the decimal point. Alright, so that's the first way to calculate change in market value of XAUUSD, or to calculate the increase and decrease in pip count of XAUUSD, commonly known as gold. So let's go over the long method, but more accurate and efficient. Alright, for the second method, we represent 0.1 for each pip count. So for instance, gold's market value increases by 1 pip. We represent that by 0.1. So what we do is we simply add 0.1 to the current market value. That's if we are to calculate for 1 pip increase, we add 0.1. If we are to calculate for 2 pips increase, we add 0.2. Likewise, 3 pips, 0.3, and so far and so forth. So that's basically what we do in this method. So yeah, by adding 0.1 to the overall market value, our new price becomes 2618.72. Alright guys, so basically that's how we calculate the increase in market value of XAUUSD by 1 pip. So yeah, let's look at how we can calculate the decrease in market value of XAUUSD using the second method. So what do? We basically subtract 0.1 from the current market value. So what we do is we subtract 0.1 from 2618.62. So our new market value is going to be 2618.52. And how did we get that? We simply deducted 0.1 from the overall market value of XAUUSD, which is 2618.62, to get our new market value